India is home to countless biryani varieties, but have you tried Masoor Biryani yet? If not, today is the day. Start by washing your Masoor dal really well and soaking it. Overnight is best. Do the same with your fragrant biryani rice because honestly, without the right rice, can we even call it biryani? Now pressure cook the Masoor dal with a pinch of salt. The trick is to keep it cooked yet intact, not mushy. Drain and set aside. Next, in a large pot of boiling water, add whole spices like bay leaves, black cardamom, cinnamon and caraway seeds. Drop in a few green chilies too. Then add your soaked rice with some salt. Cook until the rice is a little soft, drain and set aside. Whisk curd with turmeric, cumin, red chili powder and garam masala. This mix will add richness and depth. In a heavy-bottomed pot, heat oil and add bay leaves, cumin seeds, cloves, cinnamon, star anise and green cardamom. Toss in sliced onions and fry till golden. Then add ginger garlic paste and cubed potatoes. Once the potatoes soak up some flavor, add tomato puree and spiced curd mix and a couple of green chilies. Let it bubble away before adding salt and cooked masoor dal. Stir well so the dal drinks up all those spices. Now comes the fun part, layering. Add the dal mix back on top and layer it with more rice. Finish with fried onions, coriander, a drizzle of saffron milk and of course some ghee. Cover it tight and let the magic of dum bring it all together. And that's it. A fragrant, hearty Masoor dal biryani that feels festive and comforting. So serve it hot with some bundi raita and you've got yourself a weekend feast.